In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the song Something to Someone by Dermont Kennedy. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Abe. Welcome to Jabe Creative. Now let's get into it. It's a pretty simple 4-chord song in the key of C. So I've got the C, E minor, A minor, and F major. And it just plays just a straight 8-note sort of strumming pattern, and it's 1 bar for each chord, and you use the same chords for all the sections of the song, verses and the choruses and other bits and pieces of the song. So it's almost like so really the key is just, making sure you time the chords properly, 1 bar each. So it's the C for 1 bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor to A minor to the F major. The embellishments I do is just doing an A minor 7, but you can also just do a regular A minor. That'll sound fine, and that's the regular A minor sounds like this. That's the C, E minor, regular A minor, then F. Alright, let's play along with the song just to show you how it played. So guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.